the best advice that I can give to you is to create a good customer journey.
And anytime we see a large concentration of consumers, we're like, okay, great, now I can advertise to those people. Excellent, my target audience is on Facebook, well, let's put some ads in there. And we're not listening to what consumers want.
Pay attention to how your audience is paying attention.
Yeah.
Like, be very specific about what they're looking for and what they're interested in, and then think about how you relate to that.
As businesses, we've always had a lot of power. We've had a lot of power to kind of control the sales process. Now consumers are getting a taste of it, and we're kind of getting a bit of our own medicine. So we have to think of new ways to kind of approach this, and that content marketing was a massive response to that.
So understand where you need to show up and how you need to do it, because if you're focusing on that marketing director, instead they're going to be researching loads of different solutions for those specific problems, and you need to have content available at that point in time.
Thank you very much, and another round of applause for Kenda.